Good morning, children. Myself, Rajesh Dikruz. I welcome you to the e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. Okay, children. So, as you know that we have completed the lessons Standard 8, Civics, Chapter 3, Parliamentary Government. So, now we will have exercise. So let's start to do the exercise. Exercise A. Answer the questions by choosing the most appropriate alternative from those given below. First, the most important symbols of Indian democracy is the dais. Options A. Legislature, B. Lok Sabha, C. Parliament, D. President. Answer option C, Parliament. Second, the head of the Indian government is the dais. Option A, Prime Minister, B, State Assembly, C, Council of Ministers, D, President. Answer option A, Prime Minister. Third, the Rajya Sabha is also called the dais. Option A, Council of Villages, B, Council of Houses, C, Council of States, D, none of these. Answer option C, Council of States. 4. A part of the Parliament's time when issues of public interest are debated is called dais. Option A, the question hour, B, public time, C, 0 hour, D, issue time. Answer option A, the question hour. 5. The removal of the president before his term's completion is called dais. Option A, rule of law, B, impeachment, C, constitutional exercise, D, violations. Answer option B, impeachment. Exercise B. Match the following. First, head of the Council of Ministers. Option D, Prime Minister. Second, the proposal for a law is called a option E, bill. Third, to suspend the work of Parliament. Option B, adjournment motion. 4. Maximum number of Rajya Sabha members. Option A, 250. 5. Maximum number of Lok Sabha members. Option C, 552. Children, also answer is written under the match the following. Now, exercise C. Answer the questions in about 50 to 70 words. First, why did the makers of our constitution adopt a parliamentary form of government? Answer. The makers of our constitution, after making into account the historical backgrounds, adopt a parliamentary form of government. There were a variety of reasons as follows. First, during the British rule, educated Indians had observed the working of the British parliamentary system. Second, a parliamentary system is both responsible and accommodative to the people. Third, a parliamentary system leaves no scope for the emergence of a dictator. The head of the state has nominal powers, while the real power resides with the Council of Ministers, headed by the Prime Minister. Second, What are the three categories of ministers who assist the Prime Minister? Answer. The three categories of ministers who assist the Prime Minister as follows. First, Cabinet Minister, who are the core of the executives and in charge of very important ministers. Second, Minister of States, who have independent charges of some minister or are placed under a cabinet minister. Third, Deputy Minister, who assists the cabinet minister and the minister of states. Question third. What are the three organs of a democratic government? What functions does each of them perform? Answer. There are three organs of a democratic government. First, legislature, which frame laws for the entire country. Second, executives, which implements the law made by the legislature. Third, judiciary, which resolves disputes and maintains order in the country. Question 4. Who is powerful, President or the Prime Minister? Give reason. Answer. The Prime Minister is powerful. He is powerful because he is chosen by the members of Lok Sabha, who are called representatives. These people are directly elected by the people from different constituencies. They rule the country because their government is formed. Question 5. How are the members of Rajya Sabha elected? Answer. The members of the Rajya Sabha are elected by the state legislative assemblies. Rajya Sabha's members try to reflect the state of the interest of the states they represent in the parliament. That is why Rajya Sabha is often referred to as Council of States. Children, these are the question answers of Civics Standard 8, Chapter 3. Please write the question answers with the objectives and submit the copy in the school and take the copy just after a week. Children, if you like my videos, please subscribe it, share it and like it. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.